Imagine this. You wake to a credit alert on your phone every morning, or even every hour of the day. Your phone is buzzing with messages. You know, that alert that gets you excited when you see the notification sign on your phone? If you want to make money online easily, then this video is for you. Try not to skip any part of this video, but watch to the end, so that you will not miss any of this online money secret that is making many people get money to pay their bills and live the luxury life they want. You can make extra income today if you follow this strategy that I will be sharing in this video. This method of making money does not need any experience. You don't even need a laptop or need any fancy thing to get started. All you need is your mobile phone. It is a very easy step to make lots of money online that you don't need to work yourself out at all. This is a secret of making money that you may not know about. It's as one that doesn't require you spend anything at all. All you will need is your phone and boom, you are making money right away. Now, all you will need to do is to download some apps I will be showing you in this video, and sign up for free, do some small task, then go to sleep. And voila, you are making money. I will be showing you 4 different free apps that you will be able to use to make money online. These are 100% free ways to make money that don't require credit card and no investment needed. This method works all over the world. It will work for you, whether you are in the USA, UK, Canada, India, Pakistan, Nigeria, South Africa and any other country in the world. All you will need to do now is stick to this video to the end to learn how to make this money online using these apps. But before we get started, welcome to Online Bucks, where we teach you how to make money online legitimately and easily. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of our online money-making videos. If you have any question, please leave a comment and we will get back to you with the necessary response. Now, let's get started right away. The first app I will like you to install on your Android or iOS device is Unbox. Now, at Unbox homepage, you have this caption. How about earning by doing what you already do online? In this app, you will make money by watching videos, taking surveys, shopping and cash offers. As you can see here, you earn cash for your everyday online activities. This is how it works at Unbox. Brands pay them for customers' input, and they need your input as a customer. These inputs can be in the form of paid survey, watching paid videos, TV, redeeming free grocery coupons, paid shopping, and more. The interesting thing about this app is that you earn in cash and not in points. You don't need to amaze points that will later be converted to gift cards or cash. No, you earn cash straight from the app. Interesting, right? You will see your earnings in cash instantly as you undertake the tasks. As you can see here, how you will earn free cash from this app is by taking paid online surveys. Now, most surveys pay from 50 cents to $5, and all you need is 3 to 25 minutes to complete the survey. Some online surveys will let you earn as much as $10 to $20 or more, if you are qualifying based on your demographic or location. You may choose to focus on watching videos instead of surveys, as big brand companies want customers to watch short snippets of their content, like movies trailers or new product features. This is where you come in, watching videos and earning money. You will then receive a cut from the money these companies pay to Unbox. If you like playing games, then Unbox is the app you will need to install on your device right away. You will enjoy playing your games and making money in the process. You can also get cash back while you shop online, and also get free samples and discounts from top brands and more. In this app also, you can get paid to read emails. Yes, make money by just reading emails sent to your inbox, or completing offers sent in your email. It is not finished yet. You can make more money from this app by getting access to free coupons for groceries and more. You can also use the coupon to save money on your everyday purchase while earning cash back in your account for every coupon you redeem. Wow! Wow, as you can see here, they have paid over $80 million in cash rewards already. This app will let you make more money online, because they are trusted by big brands like Netflix, H&R Block, Walmart and more. Inbox Dollar makes it simple and easy to earn online. The best part of this is that you get to earn $5 sign-up bonus instantly when you sign up today. Now, what are you waiting for? Let's sign up already. All you will need is to come to this sign-up form here, input your details, and voila! You are making money. If you want to make $500 online for free, and with less working, or working from your bed, then the next app will interest you. This app is important if you want to make money online. All you need is to get it installed on your mobile device, then just climb your bed, log in and do some simple task and watch how money flows into your account instantly. Now to make money from this app, you will need to go to your app store and download Cash Kick. Yes, Cash Kick is the app that will make you more money online today. First of all, at Cash Kick, you earn cash instantly. Not points or gift cards. Cash, instantly. You get money deposited in your account for doing things that you already do online. The task you will be doing every day is simply answering some survey questions, finding great deals, watching videos and surfing the web. Making money on this app is as easy as 1, 2, 3. The steps are spelt out for you to follow easily. First, you find and complete your mission. This involves answering simple surveys, to watching videos, very easy task, that you can perform even lying down on your bed. The best part is, there is no limit to the number of videos you watch, or surveys you carry out. Then the next thing, is to watch your earnings grow in your account. You will get to see your earnings insights grow and all you will then need to do, is to cash out your money, when it reaches the threshold. The way the system works is this: you earn money as companies are eager to get their deals introduced to get your feedback. Your opinions are valuable. They are ready to pay you for them. All you need is internet connection and a few minutes of clicks, and boom, you are making money. As you can see here, these are testimonials from people that are using the app to make money all over the world. Now, to get started on this app, you can just come here to the sign up form and put in your email and choose a password and they will take it from here. The third app I will like you to install on your mobile device is Instagc. This is another app that will let you earn money online. They will pay your earnings using digital gift cards instantly. When you join this community, you will receive free gift cards instantly for your online activities. You will earn points for things you already do online. These things are easy things like completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online and searching the web. These are normal activities you do every day for free, spending your time and data and earning nothing. Now, how about doing the same things you love doing and earning money in the process? As you do these tasks, you earn points, and your points will be redeemed for gift cards. There are over 320 gift card brands available for you to earn on this app. These gift cards are digitally delivered. You will not need to wait for the gift to be mailed to you at all. You can convert the gift card to cash, use it in stores, online or simply send to a friend. As you can see here, over 1,398,900 gift cards have already been redeemed in this app worldwide, as of time of recording this video. Now let's view the type of gift cards you stand to earn on this app. Here you can see Flowers.com, Abercrombie & Fitch, Adidas, Advance Auto Parts, Aerospace, Airbnb, Amazon. Different types of Amazon gift cards are all here. In this app, every 100 you make earns you $1 for gift cards. All you need to focus on is making points and earning money. And as we said earlier, over 1.3 million gift cards have been redeemed worldwide, and you too should be redeeming yours today. If you need some proofs of payment by this app, you can come to their Facebook page here. You will see all the payment proofs done by this app. $50.75 PayPal money, $85 and many more. See all this payments proofs. This is getting exciting, I tell you. Now, to get started on this app, you can sign up with your Facebook, Twitter or Google account. You can also sign up by inputting your details and clicking the sign up right here to get started, and you will earn free 10 points sign up bonus instantly. The last app you should install on your mobile device if you want to make money online is App Karma. At App Karma, you earn rewards for playing with apps, and the best part of this is that it is free. You will get to complete offers and earn rewards which can be redeemed for PayPal money or top brand gift card. This app has one of the highest sign-up bonus in the industry, 300 points instantly, when you install and sign up on the app on your mobile device today. And if you want to make more money using this app, you can sign up for their referral program, and you will earn 30% of whatever your referral is earning. This is a great opportunity for you if you have a YouTube channel, a blog, or a social media following. App Karma offers Karma Plays, which lets you earn daily rewards for playing with the apps you have installed on App Karma. What you need is to keep the apps you are rewarded with, play with it each day to earn extra bonuses. You also stand the chance to get extra bonuses through their additional badges when you install 5 apps on App Karma, watch 25 videos, check in 5 times. Increase your reward level each time you earn a Karma Play badge for level 1 to 4. You can earn up to 12.5% bonuses each time you complete an offer. With the badges, you can multiply your earnings. For example, if you earn $100 with the badge, you will earn $100 times 12.5%, which will give you $125. Now, what are you waiting for? Download this app and get started already. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell to be notified on more ways to make money online. Well, these are some of the top apps that lets you earn $500 daily from doing things you already do online. You can download into your device, sign up for free right away, and begin to earn lots of money doing fun things on the internet. Ciao!